workflow. For the past 10 years, I've been teaching classes and showing people just like you how to get more and more out of the software they use every day. When I'm not teaching, I'm doing a lot of freelance print design, web design, multimedia production, and writing. Most recently, I've written a book called 10-Ton Dreamweaver. In other words, I don't see myself as an instructor who's steeped in the world of academia. I'm a software user, much like yourself. This opens the door for me to show you practical, real-world tips and tricks to help you get more productivity on a day-by-day basis out of your new Office 2007 tools. As for Office 2007, the 12th version of Office, next, what we'll do is begin formatting our sample file here. As you can see, it's already got a little bit of formatting on it. Maybe this is a document that a coworker sent to you, or perhaps a client or something like this. And what we'll be doing is applying some new formatting to this file in Word. As you can see down in the bottom left-hand corner, we have a 5-page document here. So we have our page count area there. And what we'll do here is we'll remove all of the formatting off of this document. We'll strip all the formatting off, and then we'll begin reapplying our new formatting. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm on my Home tab here, and way over on the right-hand side, I have a Select drop-down menu, and I'm going to choose Select All. That selects all the content in my document, all the way through all 5 pages. And what I'm going to do is up underneath my font category here, I'm going to click on Clear Formatting. And what that does is takes all the formatting off of my document. So if I had any color or any fonts or anything like this being used in my document, it's all completely removed. Now what we'll do is some basic text formatting here. A new feature in Word 2007 is something called the Mini Tool. Let's take a quick look at cross-references in Word. To get cross-references to work, the first thing I'll do is place my insertion point, and I'll type in, for more information, C. And then make sure to put a space after C. And then here's what I'll do. I'll head up to my References tab, and I'm looking for cross-reference. I get my cross-reference dialog box. Now, first of all, what I can do is choose my reference type from the first pull-down menu here. I can reference to a numbered item, a heading, a bookmark, and a few other items. I'm going to reference to a heading, and in the bottom window here, what Word does is gives me all of the text that's been formatted as a heading inside my document. So I'll create a cross-reference to, but isn't content king. And then in the top right menu, I can specify exactly what I'd like to reference to. For example, the page number or the actual text of the heading. That's the one that I want, heading text. Then I'll click on Insert. And back in my document, I can see, for more information, comma, C, space, but isn't content king. Perfect. I click on Close when I'm done. Let's do one more. I'll find a different spot in my document here, place my insertion point, and then type in my reference text. If you'd like to know more, please see. And then inside my References tab, I'll click on Cross-Reference. Again, I'll reference to a heading, and this time I'll choose Additional Resources. And again, I'll reference to the text. One thing I forgot to do on my first cross-reference, which I'll do here, is of course put in a period. Now, the neat thing about cross-references in Word is they're actually set up as hyperlinks. So if I hold down my Control key and click on my cross-reference, that'll actually take me to my cross-reference destination.